Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Sui Wallet. Why are we installing the Sui Wallet? The Sui Wallet is the main wallet for the Sui blockchain to navigate the Sui blockchain. All right, it also has a lot of other functionalities that helps you navigate the blockchain dApps world. All right, however, the Sui Wallet is the main wallet to access the dApps on the Sui blockchain. And trust me, Sui token, which is a main gas fee token or main token for processing transactions on the Sui blockchain, has hit and smashed its all-time high. And that is why I am doing this video for you to be able to position yourself to navigate the Sui blockchain and ape in on projects on the Sui meme coin sector and a whole lot of them. Now, AI agents is also the new narrative of this bull market, and a lot of AI agents are launching on the Sui blockchain, and we are going to install the Sui wallet and be able to take advantage of this and many more. All right, so let's get right into it. So what I'm going to do is first I'll just go over to Play Store. All right, I'll go to Play Store and open my Play Store and then search for Sui Wallet. All right, so I'll search for Sui Wallet and then I'll install the Sui Wallet. Now, I have downloaded the Sui Wallet for mobile. I'll click on Open, and the next thing I'll do is just open the app and follow the process. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do just that. Now, once you open the Sui Wallet app for mobile, you'll be greeted with this page here. You can sign up with your Google account or your Facebook or Twitch or your Apple account. But you can also create a new passphrase account, meaning you're going to create a new wallet if you don't have any. And if you click on more options here, you'll be greeted with these two options here, which is to either import a wallet you have already using your passphrase. All right. If I click on import from passphrase, I have to fill in the passphrase for the 12 recovery passphrase. All right. If I go back and I go back to my normal option and use import with private key, I have to paste in the private key of the wallet I am importing into my Sui Wallet Mobile. Right now, I am going to be creating a new wallet for the purpose of this video, for those who might be seeing Sui Wallet for the first time. So I'll click on create a new passphrase account. All right. Once I do that, I'll be greeted with this page. Now you can see my recovery phrase, it is hidden. If I click on this button here, it will ask me to reveal it, which I don't want to do. All right. So on your own end, you click on review. Don't copy it. Take a pen and paper or your pen and journal and write down the passphrase somewhere very safe and secure, where only you have access to. All right. So once you do that, you can now click on next. All right. So I'll copy my passphrase and write it down somewhere, and I'll see you on the other side. All right. So if I click on next, I'll be greeted with this protection page. It says secure wallet. Protect your wallet with additional security. Use the biometric or PIN configured on your device to keep your wallet safe. Now, you require biometric or PIN to do this. So I'll enable to lock and unlock my wallet using biometric and then also to confirm transactions. So I'll tick all of these two items here and then I'll click on next. Now, I'll be prompted to enter my biometric, my fingerprint, which I have just done. And then it says, awesome, let's dive in. Welcome to Sui Wallet. So I'll just wait for this to go through. Now, you can see this is my Sui Wallet. And if I click on this first button at the top here, you can see my Sui Wallet address, which I can copy if I want to receive Sui tokens or any token on the Sui blockchain. All right. So if I want to buy, there's an option for me to buy here or use this button here. So in some places in the part of the world, you can buy Sui directly from your bank. All right. So if I enter, I'm in Nigeria. So if I click on this, it will tell me that I'm not able to buy Sui with my provider. Providers do not support your region. So I'll just click on back and I'll just show you around the Sui wallet. Now, the next thing you might want to do is to come to assets. If you have any tokens, you'll see them here. And then there are dApps where you can connect, or apps on the Sui blockchain that you can use to navigate the Sui ecosystem. There are a lot of things going on the Sui ecosystem. There are aggregators, there are protocols that helps you. There's a suilend. Suilend, I'm going to be talking about this in my next video, where you can borrow and lend on the Sui blockchain using the suilend protocol. You can make money from lending your coins we are not using to people on the Sui blockchain and then getting incentives from it. All right, so that is that. And there are a lot of other ones. Now, I heard about this 7K aggregator. It is a lending liquidity hub for smart traders on the Sui network. All right, there's also pseudo finance and a whole bunch of all of them. I'm going to be using the 7K aggregator to buy Sui token in my next video. All right, so stick around for that. So if I come back to activities, anything I do on the Sui blockchain will be displayed on this particular page. So that is that on how to create the Sui wallet for mobile. All right, I have a video on how to create Sui wallet on your desktop by downloading the wallet extension for browsers. So do well to check that video out. You can see it around this video, right? So that is that. And then that is that on how to install the Sui wallet, guys. It is very pretty straightforward, and I think the Sui blockchain, like I said, is going to be one of the biggest coins in this current bull market. You can see this coin has done a lot. If I go back to the Sui token and search the Sui ecosystem, you see a lot of things going on the Sui ecosystem, right? All right, so that is that, guys. Do want to navigate the Sui market, and this video simply just shows you how to install the Sui wallet on your mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do want to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.